Have you ever found yourself lingering on those mesmerizing close-ups of Korean celebrities? The way IU's complexion seems to glow from within? How Jang Won-young's skin appears almost translucent under stage lights? Or how Song Hye-kyo maintains that impossible luminosity well into her 40s? That radiant, dewy quality that makes their skin look less like something they have and more like something they emit? What if I told you there's a hidden cornerstone to this phenomenon? A treatment so understated that most celebrities never mention it by name, yet so effective that top dermatologists consider it their secret weapon? This isn't about dramatic transformations or obvious work done. This is about something far more profound: skin that remembers how to be healthy. Welcome to the world of Rejuran, where science meets regeneration, where salmon DNA holds the key to cellular renewal, and where your skin's potential might be waiting to be unlocked. Over the next 9,000 words, we'll explore the remarkable biological alchemy that makes salmon DNA the perfect skin healer, how Korean dermatology perfected this treatment while the West focused on quick fixes, exclusive insights into celebrity skincare routines, and what they're not telling you, the 5 critical signs you might be an ideal candidate, why this could be the missing link in your anti-aging regimen. This isn't just another skincare trend. This is a paradigm shift in how we approach skin health. So let's begin this journey, not with hype, but with understanding. Chapter 1. The Salmon DNA Revelation. At first glance, the connection seems improbable: salmon and human skin. Yet this unlikely pairing forms the foundation of one of dermatology's most sophisticated treatments. Here's why it works so remarkably well. Salmon DNA, specifically polynucleotides, PDRN, contains unique regenerative properties that Korean scientists discovered could communicate with human skin cells. The similarity in DNA structure allows these molecules to integrate seamlessly, acting like a master key that unlocks your skin's innate repair mechanisms. But why salmon? Consider their natural habitat. They endure extreme temperature fluctuations. Their skin constantly repairs from physical trauma. They maintain barrier function despite changing salinity. These survival traits translate into PDRN's remarkable abilities in human skin. When injected, these polynucleotides perform a symphony of biological actions. Cellular communication. They signal fibroblasts to increase collagen production by up to 300%. Angiogenesis. They stimulate new blood vessel formation, crucial for that glow. DNA protection. They shield existing cells from environmental damage. Dr. Lee Soo-jin of Seoul National University Hospital explains, PDRN doesn't just add temporary volume like fillers. It teaches your skin to behave like younger, healthier versions of itself. The results accumulate gradually but last significantly longer than conventional treatments. Chapter 2. The Celebrity Effect. Decoding the Hints. While Korean celebrities rarely confirm specific treatments, their dermatologists and makeup artists leave telling clues. Let's analyze 4 iconic cases that reveal Rejuran's subtle power. Case Study 1. IU's self-repairing skin. Her team emphasizes natural maintenance over dramatic procedures. Her skin rebounds remarkably fast from concert tours, heavy makeup, sleep deprivation, dramatic weight fluctuations for acting roles, seasonal changes, notable in her VLIVE archives. Dermatologists note this matches Rejuran's signature barrier resilience effect. Case Study 2. Jang Won-young's stage-proof complexion. Idle skincare requires surviving 18-hour days under LED lights, constant makeup removal reapplication, stress-induced breakouts. Her aesthetic team reportedly uses Rejuran S before comebacks for scar prevention. Rejuran HB during promotions, combating dehydration. Case Study 3. Song Hye-kyo's age-defying HD readiness. At 42, her skin maintains uniform luminosity, no patchy filler look, natural texture, visible in recent drama close-ups. Insiders suggest a regimen of quarterly Rejuran Healer sessions, combined with low-level LED therapy. Case Study 4. Han So-hee's bare-faced confidence. Her willingness to appear makeup-free stems from remarkable under-eye recovery, even tone without obvious laser marks, minimal pore visibility. What unites these cases? As Dr. Kim Min-ji notes, they're not chasing trends, they're cultivating skin health. That's why the results look effortless rather than engineered. Chapter 3. The Science of Regeneration. Rejuran's magic lies in its 3-phase action, each addressing different skin concerns with remarkable precision. Phase 1. The Collagen Renaissance. Weeks 1 to 4. Fibroblast activation peaks at 72 hours post-treatment. Type Y collagen production increases steadily. Patients report better sleep skin, waking up looking refreshed. Phase 2. The Barrier Revolution. Weeks 4 to 8. Ceramide production increases by 40%. Transepidermal water loss decreases significantly. Those with rosacea eczema notice dramatic calming. Phase 3. The Glow Emergence. Weeks 8 to 12. Microcirculation improvement becomes visible. That coveted lit from within effect appears. Makeup sits differently as multiple patients report. Dr. Park Ji-hoon's clinic data shows 89% of patients report improved product absorption. 76% require less foundation within 3 months. 63% with acne scars see noticeable improvement. Chapter 4. Finding your Rejuran match. With 4 specialized formulations, choosing the right one requires understanding their unique strengths. Rejuran Healer, the foundation builder. Best for first-time users. General anti-aging, climate resilience, frequent travelers. Rejuran Eye, the eye whisperer, addresses tear trough hollows without filler puffiness. Crepey texture, dark circle undertones. Rejuran S, the texture eraser, specializes in rolling acne scars, post-inflammatory erythema, enlarged pores from past breakouts. Rejuran HB, the hydration infusion, unique benefits, plumps from within, not surface level, helps repair moisture barrier damage, ideal for post-procedure recovery. Treatment specialist Nurse Choi recommends most patients start with healer, then layer specialized formulas. The cumulative effect surpasses any single treatment. Chapter 5. The Experience Decoded. Understanding what to expect demystifies the process. The treatment day. Cleansing with medical-grade products. Optional numbing cream, though many skip it. Precise injections using microdroplet technique. Soothing mask application afterward. The recovery timeline. Hour 1. Slight redness, like mild sunburn. Day 1. Tiny bumps. Resolve by morning. Week 1, subtle tightness, signaling collagen activation. Month 1, the did something change? Comments begin. Patient testimonials reveal, I expected downtime but attended dinner that evening. Yuna 34. My husband noticed I looked well rested by day 3. Chapter 6, Beyond the Hype. Comparative analysis. How Rejuran differs from other popular treatments. Versus Profhilo. Both hydrate but Rejuran repairs at DNA level. Profhilo lasts 3 to 6 months. Rejuran builds over time. Versus exosomes. Exosomes show promise but lack long-term data. Rejuran has 15+ years of clinical history in Korea. Versus PRP. PRP depends on your own platelet quality. Rejuran provides standardized active ingredients. Dermatologist Dr. Yoon Ji-hai advises, think of Rejuran as your skin's education. It learns to maintain itself better permanently. Chapter 7. Real Patient Journeys. Case 1. The Stressed Executive. 38-year-old finance director. Chronic stress breakouts plus dullness. After 3 healer sessions, my skin finally matches how I feel inside. Case 2. The Retired Dancer. 52-year-old with sun damage. Wanted natural rejuvenation. Combined Rejuran I plus HB. I look like myself, just happier. Case 3. The Acne Survivor. 26-year-old with scarring. Rejuran S series. I stopped using filters on Zoom. Closing the new skin philosophy. Rejuran represents more than a treatment. It's a different approach to beauty. Where others focus on covering or altering, Rejuran specializes in remembering. Remembering how your skin looked at its healthiest. Remembering how to repair itself. Remembering that radiance comes from within, literally. As we've seen through celebrity examples, clinical data, and real patient stories, this isn't about chasing an unattainable ideal. It's about returning to your skin's best possible version of itself. So ask yourself, does your skin feel like it's lost its natural resilience? Have you been layering products without seeing fundamental improvement? Do you want results that look like you, just more vibrant? If so, perhaps it's time to explore what Rejuran could do for you. Not as a quick fix, but as a long-term investment in your skin's health and confidence. Because true beauty isn't about looking like someone else. It's about looking like the best version of yourself. And sometimes all your skin needs is the right reminder.